Yeah, that would be why it doesn't spin. That's PB Blaster, don't worry about that. Woo! All sorts of nastiness. That'd be fine, it'll run. That's fine. We're just gonna ignore that. Clean it out and pretend I never saw it. I can't really show it, but feeling in here, after cleaning up the all the major rust and letting it soak for a while, I think we might have a chance of it running, or not get ahead of myself. I think I will have a chance of it turning over. Whether it runs or not with the rest of the problems it has, I don't know, but baby steps. It might turn. Well, this side head comes off tomorrow. I'll give you a sneak peek. That one's not rusty. That one's not rusty. From what little we can see, that's not rusty, and that one is. So we'll shut up. We'll see what kind of carnage that holds tomorrow, when I'm not getting attacked by every mosquito in the state. All right, this side was a lot better than I expected. The rust we saw was just the top of this piston catching the rust from the cylinder head, I think. These are all clean, bores feel fine, pistons don't look dirty, or very dirty. I'm gonna get all of these soaking, spray this one down with anything. Real concern I have, the only real concern I have, is look at the coolant passages. The other side is just as bad, and I've already cleared some of these, but solid rust. That's awful. I don't know what I'm gonna do to clean that out, but I got a couple ideas I can try. We'll see what works, if anything works. This is an Engine Builder approved cylinder hone. Cry about it, I don't care. Alright, you'll have to deal with all the animals because I wasn't expecting this. But I got it to turn over. And it's still got some tough spots where the ridges are and the severely rusted cylinder, but it is moving, and moving pretty well. Look at that. It'll run again. Yeah. Awesome. Can't wait. Alright. Hard part's over with. It spins all the way. Yeah, buddy.